Guys, welcome back to my channel. So this video is gonna be about the picture that I posted on my Instagram. If you don't follow me, it's Tatiana_Victoria. Tatiana with an I. Anyways, so it's about the picture I posted. I posted a picture side-by-side comparison of my hair blown out from August 6th of this year, and then another picture next to it of my hair in November, actually a couple days ago, because I blew it out. And my hair grew like a lot, and I was actually really surprised. I was like, dang. And it kind of blew up and went viral for me. Like, usually my pictures get like 100 something likes, okay? If that, on a good picture. But this one got like 5,000, and a lot of people are asking what I did, so I'm here to answer those questions. And I'm also giving you my updated wash and go routine, so I might as well kill two birds with one stone. Hey guys, so I'm doing a voiceover because I was talking too much in the video, so yeah. Here I'm showing you guys which products I'm using, which is the Curls Blueberry Bliss Leave-In DIY Mango Butter, and I'll put that link in the description below, and the Black Castor and Flaxseed Eco Gel. And so for my wash and goes, I put my hair in 4 sections. I distribute my leave-in each section first, and then I go back and put the mango butter in all 4 sections, and then lastly I work the gel in to define my curls. So let's get on to these tips. So number 1 is I only do low manipulation styles. Those include mini twists, twist outs, braid outs, wash and goes, and buns. And I don't put my hands in my hair too often unless I'm, putting it away for sleep. Number 2 is I don't use heat. I use heat like 4 times a year, and that's just so I can do my trims. So in between those 2 pictures, between August and November, I didn't use any heat on my hair except for when I'm deep conditioning or when I'm using a diffuser to dry my hair. Number 3 is that I deep condition every single week after I shampoo. So if I'm shampooing my hair, I deep condition. Like, I never not deep condition after a shampoo. I don't use regular conditioners after a shampoo to detangle or anything. I only use regular conditioners to co-wash midweek. So number 4 is that I detangle my hair only when it's wet. I never detangle when it's either damp or dry with like an actual tool. I'll do that if with my fingers, but I won't use like a wide tooth comb or a brush to detangle when my hair is damp or dry, only when it's soaking wet in the shower. So number 5 is that I started doing rice water rinses. I started those in October, and I did get significant growth in October, which is about an inch, which is crazy to me because usually I get half an inch of growth in 1 month. I did do a lead check for that as well, so that was pretty cool. So I do rice water rinses now. I do them every other week, so this wash day, I need to do it on Friday. I did them 2 times in October. I didn't do them every week like some people usually do. And I combined the rice water rinse with my deep conditioning routine. So I'll keep the rice water on my hair, put deep conditioner on top of it, let that sit, and then rinse it all out. I don't leave the rice water in my hair. I stay away from actual protein treatments because I am protein sensitive. My hair is low porosity, so I can't really handle the protein that much, or I'll get kind of brittle and hard. So I don't do actual protein treatments. The thing that has protein in it is my deep conditioners, so that's what I use instead of an actual protein treatment. And the deep conditioners that I use, I'll put those in the description below. All the products I use on my hair on like a daily or weekly basis, I'll put in the description below because it's just a lot, and I don't want to have to take up a whole bunch of time talking about each product. So I do believe that sticking to a regimen, deep conditioning weekly, and the rice water has definitely contributed to the growth of my hair. I will test the effectiveness of the rice water between this month and next month, and then I'll give you an update video in January to see if my hair did really have a significant growth from the rice water. Alright, thank you guys for watching, and if this video helped you in any way, please hit that subscribe button and let me know if you guys implement these tips in your hair regimen. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Alright, bye.